At our level, at the mobility experience level, we have the same issues as giants such as Google. When you do a search with Google, you get the impression that it's instantaneous. And yet, your search travels around the whole world. It gets processed in data centers in the US and comes back and so on. So we're going to have to deal with the same problems at a mobility level. So we need our engineers to introduce innovative solutions and imagine how to improve the algorithms we have today so it's just as transparent and easy to use. What's easy for the user is very often complex for the people who make it. The same goes for car parks. If we offer an itinerary with a car plus public transport, you have to leave your car somewhere. Well, you're not going to leave it on the sidewalk. Well, you can, but it's probably not advisable. So you have to find a parking place. And so here, if we don't have real-time information saying there's a parking place available, we can't include it in the multimodal itinerary. The same goes for car parks. If we offer an itinerary with a car plus public transport, you have to leave your car somewhere. Well, you're not going to leave it on the sidewalk. Well, you can, but it's probably not advisable. So you have to find a parking place. And so here, if we don't have real-time information saying there's a parking place available, we can't include it in the multimodal itinerary. So with predictive, one of the key innovation factors at Cityway in the coming years is incorporating everything to do with predictive information. Now, we don't have a crystal ball, but by using historical data, real-time information, algorithms, and some artificial intelligence, we are capable of predicting a few things. So if I go back to my car park example, which is the best illustration, we can work with historical car park occupation data according to weather conditions, according to traffic disruption of a certain type of day. And with this information that we process, we can make a prediction for a given type of day with the specific weather conditions. So if it's rain, not a shower, but a heavy rain or snow, for example, we can segment our information. We can say, this type of day at this time looks like something we've already stored. So we can assume that the result in terms of mobility will be pretty much the same, or the number of parking places should be pretty much the same. I wouldn't say in my wildest dreams, but what we're working on today, even if the term has become overused, I'd say that artificial intelligence will play a part in this, going further and anticipating situations. What I mean is that depending upon your travel habits, what you've configured in the system, your lifestyle, the information you've fed into the system, our solutions will recommend you the journey without you having to run the search. It will say to you, I know you're taking your kids to school today, and it's going to rain. So I suggest you take this type of transport, and then this other type, and then this other type, without you having to say, I'm going to do this journey, and then that journey. This is something that we should be seeing in a few years' time.